Yo, what's up? So, on our road to 10,000 perfect days designed, Matt and I are documenting our process of what we're going to be doing every single day and using the lifestyle design tools and techniques that we teach in our 7-day program to show exactly how we're going to go about placing an order for 10,000 perfect days designed, which is a business goal that we've set, and how we're going to keep one another accountable. And in today's video, I'm just going to quickly show you how we install a piece of scaffolding. And scaffolding are the lifestyle design tools that we use every single day in the work that we're doing and in our lives to help bring the things that we want into reality. And so the piece that I'm going to share today is how we create an order board item. For those that haven't been following this work for a while, an order board is our sort of updated and upscaled version of a vision board. It's a digital vision board that you set up on your laptop and you have access to it on your smartphone. It's all done for free. And I'm going to quickly show you how I'm going to create an image for our order board. And then I'm going to share it with Matt and just talk you through the process of how exactly that's done. So what we use is an application called Spark by Adobe. And there is an entire order board creation process in our 7-day program, which we're going to be releasing pretty soon, where I show you in detail exactly how to be able to create your own images and how to customize them so that your order board looks exactly the way you want it for yourself. But for today, I'm going to quickly just fly through this so that you can see how I create an image for an order board using this program called Adobe Spark. So the first thing I did was use one of their templates. This one is a Facebook template. And it's got a whole lot of stuff that's obviously not relevant to the image that I'm trying to create. I'm going to change the background image to something like people at sunset. I'm going to find an image. In my mind, I've got an idea of something that I have, maybe something like this. So I'm trying to find an image that resonates with the visualization process for the actual goal that we're trying to set. So 10,000 perfect days designed for me feels like somebody watching the sunset. For me, when I get to see a sunset in a perfect day, that's perfect for me. 10,000 perfect days is obviously going to be the image that everybody wants to create for their own perfect days. But for me, this feels like an image that might work. And I'm also just using this really for illustrative purposes now. We can then change the texture. 10,000 perfect days. Sweet. This bottom piece we don't need. Just get this looking the way that you want it. Okay, maybe add the logo. Sweet. It doesn't need to be more difficult than that. All you do now is you download this image that you've created. I'm just going to save it onto my desktop. And now all that I do is I go onto Trello, which is the application that we use, and I'm going to create a card called 10,000 Happy Days Designed, and simply drag the image that I've saved onto this card. There it is. That's the vision board item now created on my order board, and I'm going to share this image with Matt. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this part of our morning routine, where every single day we're going to look at this order board. We do it every day anyway as part of our morning pregame, and we go through all the things that we're looking at. And this is just another piece that we've installed. We're also going to be talking about and documenting how we do a 68-second future state, and that's something that we're going to be doing every single day as we think about these 10,000 perfect days designed. And we'll unpack that a little bit more, but today's video was really just to show how we are creating a visualization tool and adding it to an order board, and how I'm going to share this with Matt, and he's going to add it onto his order board so that he can include it in his daily pregame. I hope that's cool. I hope you dig it. And yeah, if you're interested in this, please pay attention to the content that's coming out in the next couple of days when we do the launch of the Live More Perfect Days website. We're going to be creating a 7-day program for free, which goes into a whole lot more detail of how you can create your own order board using this free tool called Trello. And almost any image that you want. We use Spark, but you can use anything, Google Images, and find images that resonate for you, for the goals that you're working on, and the orders that you're placing to bring into your life. Till next time, ciao.